To make your cannabis growing operations more efficient, high-density mobile systems are a great way to maximize your indoor growing yields, all while saving space, energy, and time. By mounting plant shelving on sliding tracks, the high-density systems maximize your cubic storage space. With the turn of a handle, employees can access the aisles they need while the rest of the shelving remains compacted together. The high-density mobile systems are extremely durable and can easily handle the weight of multiple tiers of plants, so you can take full advantage of your available space. The mobile systems can also be integrated with your existing lighting and irrigation systems, and we have a wide variety of customization options to build the exact system you need. With a more efficient growing system, your business will be able to maximize your space and reduce your operational costs. For more information about high-density cannabis storage systems, call us at 1-800-803-1083 or email us at info@southwestsolutions.com.